Moku Cloud Compile allows you to write custom digital signal processing and easily deploy it to your Moku device, where it can run in real time alongside other Moku instruments. Let me show you how to get started. First, open compile.liquidinstruments.com in your browser. Log in or create an account, and then create a new project. Create a file from the file pane on the left and write some code. This example calculates the sum and the difference of the first two inputs and writes them to the first two outputs. The source code can be found in the Moku Cloud Compile examples repository. There's a link down in the description. Cloud Compile needs to target a device. Create a new one from the menu on the left. Select your hardware and firmware version and the number of slots in your multi-instrument mode. Firmware version is available in the device info screen on the right-click or long press of your app. And you can see the right number of slots on the multi-instrument mode Build Your System screen. Now you can go back, reopen your project, and target that new device in the bottom left. Now you're ready to build. Click the Build button in the top right. It'll take several minutes to complete. You can monitor progress in the logs down the bottom. When the build is complete, download the resulting bitstream to your computer by clicking on it in the bottom left. Now we need to load the bitstream onto your Moku. First, note or copy the Moku's IP address from the device info screen. Navigate to that IP address in your browser. Then open the Registers tab in the top right and upload the bitstream that you just downloaded to your computer. Now we're ready to deploy your design to the Moku. Open your application, connect to your Moku and enter multi-instrument mode. Configure multi-instrument mode to include your Cloud Compile design, and add any other instruments and route signals as required. Your Cloud Compile design will start running as soon as you click Apply. You can now interact with your Cloud Compile design and any other instrument in your system just by clicking into it. This particular sum and difference example has the same signal routed to both inputs of the Cloud Compile slot. You can see the sum term at the top, which is just double the amplitude of the input signal, and the difference in blue is just 0. And that is how easy it is to run custom signal processing in real time alongside Moku instruments using Moku Cloud Compile. For next steps, check out the documentation and example links in the description or the other videos in this series.